Good evening. Hi, quick video message for Jane. Jane, hi. Thank you for buying my beautiful Husqvarna 280 up on eBay for parts or as a collector's item. So I thought I'd run her one last time before I put her into the box and drain the fluids so you can see exactly how she's leaving me. Kill switch, throttle lock now working obviously. Okay, many thanks for buying, and I hope she serves you well, and I hope you love her as much as I have. They're beautiful engines, the Husqvarna 77cc, and what was I going to say then? Thanks for buying. Bye for now.